Staring at a blank page, trying to structure a funnel from scratch? That's hours you don't have. Vyroq from AI Prompt Wizard does the structuring for you in 4 quick steps. Hit Create Funnel, choose from AI Prompt, and step 1 asks you to choose funnel type. Single page, 2-step, 3-step, or 4-step, each with a hint on what it's best for. Step 2, choose your CTA approach. Lead magnet, demo booking, webinar registration, quiz, or Tripwire offer. Pick the one that matches your goal. Step 3 is where the magic happens. Describe your funnel. Type your offer, your audience, and what action they should take. Or hit speak instead and just talk it through. Step 4, choose lead fields. Toggle, let AI decide, and it auto-picks the fields your CTA actually needs. Then hit generate funnel for 10 credits, and Vyroq calls the AI, validates the structure, and saves it. Usually in under 15 seconds. You land straight in a fully built funnel, ready to fine-tune and publish. Start yours free at vyroqai.com, no credit card, and a 14-day money-back guarantee.